Are you wondering how to prepare and use cloves to get rid of a toothache and maybe even dental abscess? So using cloves is very straightforward. First, if you get clove oil, so like pressed out oil of these, you can simply take the oil, maybe like a cotton piece, and simply drop like 1 or 2 drops on the cotton piece and simply put in your mouth, essentially right on the tooth, and hold for maybe like 5 to 10 minutes, and you should feel the effect pretty much instantly. However, if you have regular cloves that you have just purchased in your shop, these work just as good and are, in my opinion, even more practical than the oil. So if these cloves are totally fresh, essentially when you actually insert them in the mouth, you are feeling a lot of flavor coming out of them. They obviously, are the best ones to use. So then how do you actually use them? So again, if you insert them in your mouth and you feel a lot of flavor coming out of them, a lot of strong flavor essentially, so you would simply take maybe 1 or 2 and simply place near your aching tooth. So pretty much like right on essentially, and hold like this basically. So as you hold them in your mouth, your saliva will actually soak in them essentially, and it will release all the like compounds inside in them essentially. So not only these are antibacterial, but also they're anti-inflammatory as well essentially. They can essentially also numb the area, exact area where you actually place them on. So again, it's very important that you place them pretty much straight on the tooth essentially, or again maybe like 1 centimeter on the gum area essentially. So simply again very closely. So again, because they actually target the specific area where you place them, and basically the area starts to go slightly numb essentially. So when it comes to time, how long it takes, you can already start feeling effect in as little as 5 minutes. So yep, they actually work that fast. But yeah, if you actually do not feel much flavor from these, so what you can do is you can simply crunch them up, so either by hand or literally just in your mouth. Obviously not with a aching tooth, but maybe nearby tooth, so you do not want to actually disturb the aching tooth much. So simply like chew up maybe like 2 or 3 of them, and then simply move them further to the aching teeth, and that's about it. So keep it like that for again maybe like starting from maybe like 10 minutes up to maybe like half an hour. So yeah, basically depending on how much you want to. So again, I wouldn't say there's any like hard limit for how long you can hold them. So again, it's a simple spice essentially, so it can't really do anything bad. So again, it's like totally natural remedy essentially, I guess. So yeah, but yeah, either like place it on if you do not feel much flavor, simply crunch it up, and that's about it really. Also, what you can do is, again, if these maybe aren't the freshest, so if they have been sitting maybe in the store for very long time, maybe are they expired, again, literally maybe take like a small piece of container where you can actually put in a bit of hot water, maybe like even boiling water, and put in a few of them essentially, and in that hot water they should like swell up tiny bit, and again should release the most flavor essentially and the most compounds inside them. So again, if they aren't the freshest, but again, if they're fresh, if you feel out of flavor, yeah, so you simply put on your tooth, near the tooth, and that's it. So again, literally maybe like, I would say maybe 5 minutes, they give you effect essentially. So again, yeah, when it comes to all of these natural things that you can do to get rid of toothache, this probably is the #1 thing you can do. Worldwide, again, literally millions of people are actually using these to get rid of this stuff. So really, it actually works really good. And I actually had to use these today as well, because I have a toothache essentially, and I can only get to my dentist in a few days. So I'm using these to basically numb the area and get rid of the pain. Obviously, if you have like crazy pain, if you have like huge abscess, obviously these aren't miracle tools, so again they can only do so much. I would say if you have like low to medium pain, they can get rid of most of it essentially in maybe like literally 20 minutes, I would say. But again, if you have huge pain, they will still actually take off the edge, numb the area slightly, so again you won't suffer as much essentially. So in any way, yep, they're actually huge help in my opinion. Good luck.